What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about polyurethane bushings, which I have right here. Mines are specific to an RSX, which is my car. Today I'll be unboxing this and telling you the reasoning behind why I got these and what I think about them. There's a lot of people out there talking about spherical bushings, polyurethane bushings, rubber bushings, which ones are too firm, which ones are daily driver friendly. So I'm going to be discussing what I think and what my opinion is, and by no means am I a professional or anything like that. I'm just going to give you guys a piece of my mind, and when I get these installed I will give you guys a review of what I think they feel like. I don't have a rubber bushing to show you guys in comparison. However, these are very firm bushings. Like, I cannot squeeze them even if I wanted to. They take a lot of force to squeeze. One of the benefits, some of the benefits are they're really long lasting. They are pretty harsh from what I've heard and researched. However, they're not as bad as let's say spherical bushings, or just there are bushings out there, they're just metal, like there is no play in them whatsoever. This is poly, so there is definitely some play in them. I cannot do it with my own hands or force. They're not that durable, so to speak. Another thing is, if you do not put enough grease on them and the right type of grease, they will squeak. So they will squeak a lot. I've heard from people that they squeak a lot. Some people say that their whole car is full of urethane bushings and they don't hear a single squeak. There is a video on YouTube which has a trick where the person uses Teflon tape around it. When he uses Teflon tape around the bushing, so basically if this is the bushing, he'd cover this entire spot before pressing it in, and it does not squeak, or it doesn't squeak as much. Over here is a non-petroleum based grease. This is key for polyurethane or any type of urethane bushing. If they're gonna be moving, you have to use this. Apply as much as possible. You can never apply too much to these. They will squeak if you don't. So this is key for making sure that your polyurethanes do not squeak. This does come in the kit, so they do provide it. This came with for the whole car. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be enough for the whole entire car. You might need to get another type of grease. As long as it's not petroleum based, you can use it on polyurethane. Another thing I wanted to touch on is installation of these bushings. It's fairly easy. However, having a hydraulic press would make your life much easier. For example, if the job is like, I don't know, 2 hours, it'd be 1 hour or even less. For this bushing right here, you do need a press to press it in. Well, you can, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to DIY these. I wouldn't recommend DIYing this. Just take your control arm out and take it to a shop. They can probably do it if they're nice enough. They'll take like 10-15 bucks and they'll do it for you. There is a sleeve on the old bushing that you guys have to keep in for this bigger bushing. If you guys don't keep that in, what will happen is this will be a little loose in there and it will squeak. So it'll make a lot of squeaky noises when you're driving over a bump or over a hole or anything like that. For this one, you just push the entire bushing out. For this one, a lot of people do, you can do your own research, but what a lot of people do is heat up the rubber and basically just use a sharp knife or chisel or anything like that and just take it out. For this one, you have to take the entire rubber bushing out, your old ones. For, like I said, for this one, you gotta leave that metal sleeve in. A lot of people have made that mistake. You guys can go check out Energy Suspension's website, where they do specify to leave that metal sleeve in the control arm. Alright, that about sums up what I had to say about polyurethane bushings. When I do install them, I will make another video letting you guys know how they feel, how they react compared to old rubber bushings. There are other websites that you guys can do your research on and find out more about polyurethane bushings. Other than that, that's a wrap for today. Peace.